Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making Lord Ganesha with easy steps along with some facts about Lord Ganesha. Hope you all enjoy this video. The materials needed are as follows. We need some white adrai clay, and if you want to know how I made this, you can see the video in the link in the description below. Some tools, necessary paints and brush, palette, a glass of water, at last some glitter pens. Let's get started. Take some clay for the body of Lord Ganesha and make it into a sphere shape. If we observe every part of Sri Ganesh's body, it all teaches us the right way to live. It also teaches how to inculcate spiritual wisdom in our daily lives. Here I am making a small seat, or maybe we can also add it as a support below the body. Next, we have to make two cone shapes for the legs. Sri Ganeshji is always shown seated with one leg folded and other facing down. In the leg that faces down, only one toe is shown touching the ground. This means that we should not go too high on our head or too low. We have to know how to balance our life. Next, we are going to make 4 hands. These 4 hands has a beautiful significance. One has an axe. Using this axe, we need to cut and finish our vices, negativity, and most importantly, our past drawn karmatic accounts. In the second hand, we can see a rope. The rope is like spiritual knowledge which helps us to remove ourselves from a samsara material world that we are entrenched in. Next, we have to roll out a tin noodle and place it like this. Now, let's shape Lord Ganeshji's face. Lord Ganesha uses his trunk to destroy obstacles and progresses. His trunk symbolizes changes. Ganeshji has a small mouth which says talk less and ears big to listen more. So talk less and listen more. Ganeshji's ears are shaped like sieves. So what does sieves do? It filters all the particles. It retains what is good and disposes the rest. So listen only to good things and throw the bad things. Now let's give some minor details to Lord Ganesha. Ganeshji has a broken tusk, so I'm cutting a tusk into half. Now let it dry for 24 hours. Now it's time to paint. I am doing an orange and green combination, so you guys can paint according to your favorite colors or the colors which you think will suit. Here I am using glitter pens for some detailing. Ganeshji has small eyes which symbolize concentration. and here I'm giving some more detailings. And we are done. Thanks for watching. And if you guys like my content, keep supporting me. See you guys in the next video.